So if you're new here, make sure to click the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell to get unique updates. So welcome to this channel. You are watching Splendid Shri. So today in this video I'm going to make Lebanon flag in this 5x5 cube. So now let's jump right into it. Lebanon is the smallest country in the Middle East, and the capital of Lebanon is Beirut, and 50% of its population is following Christianity, and Lebanon is the only Middle Eastern country that doesn't have deserts.